Well, we expect to be another competitive year for us this year. We're excited about, had a great spring practice. Summer's been very, I think, very rewarding from the standpoint of the commitment the kids have made in the off-season program, and so we're just getting ready to put the pads on here in a couple of weeks to get started. Well, we think we have several kids that earn that right to be recognized. First of all, the guys we have here today, got a couple of offensive linemen, Brett Dockery, Patrick Doucette. We've got Jonathan King here, our punter, place kicker, our quarterback, Brian Phillips, Jake Reed. We have several kids, I think, that could be looked at this year. We did change. We had a couple of coaching changes, but we're basically doing the same stuff. Those guys are coming back to us that were there previous at another time. And we have a lot of young kids that will play a lot this year, sophomores. We're breaking ground on a new practice facility that we should be getting in 2 weeks. It's a synthetic field turf. It'll be a 60-yard field, and we're excited about that. So every day, certain schools have put in for the stadium, but we looked at what money we could have available and put in a nice area right outside our weight room, so during the off season or during the season, be able to use 365 days.